Okay, welcome everyone to my eClass page. What I want to show you really quickly is a quick video on how to book me if you have questions and you want to have like a one-on-one session. I think it's so much easier sometimes if we have one-on-one sessions when we're learning technology as opposed to big group sessions. So what you can do is, of course, go to my eClass page. You'll find this information here under my activity feed, but you can also find my link under the activity section, and I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, so first go to my link, which will stay on my activity feed. You click on book me. Okay, and so what I've already done for my calendar is my calendar already kind of days that have already or times that have already occurred, or like Saturdays and Sundays, those are blocked automatically. So you don't have to figure out what time, or I'm sorry, you don't have to figure out what day, or like make sure it's not a Saturday or a time that's already taken, because those times are blocked off. So for example, let's say you would like to meet with me on Wednesday, May 19th at 1 o'clock p.m. You would click on the 1 o'clock p.m. button. You would enter your first name. I'm going to go ahead and enter, well, let me make up one, Jane Doe. And let's give her an email, Jane Doe at yahoo.com. Okay. And then all you do next is confirm your booking. And there you go. So it has your time confirmed. Wednesday, May 19th, 2021 from 1 to 2 p.m. I have 1 hour sessions booked. Thanks, Jane. You'll receive a notification confirming the meeting details shortly. Super easy and super simple. Also, if you go back to your My eClass page and you click on content, if you scroll down here, you can find the book me link here. If you click that there, same way, same idea, you can find out how to book me and find your time that you want, whatever works for you. I'm also going to upload a video for you guys. So just so some of us are visual learners, I like to always appeal to my visual learners because I am one. And sometimes hearing and seeing how to do it just works so much better for some of us. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And also, you can book me. Thanks. Have a great day.